What in the world is that?
Big Dutch baby.
It's a Dutch baby. It tried to jump out of the pan when you were cooking. It didn't want to be cooked. How did I never hear about Dutch babies growing up? Is it like an Instagram thing that everyone's suddenly making them now, or is this like something everyone has known and I just missed out on?
I think it's a Midwestern and Canadian thing.
Oh, it's because I'm not Dutch, I think.
Are you gonna obey, or are you gonna go to your room? Thank you. The hardest part about disciplining a lot of times when you're a mom is stopping what you're doing and disciplining. It's hard. It's hard to do that.
It's something we try to emphasize with our kids actually is respect for us, not just as parents. Like we do say, hey, we're your parents, so you should respect us and obey us because we're your parents, but also you should respect us because we're people.
Because we're people.
And that's how you have to treat people everywhere in the world.
R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Find out what it means to me. Get on up out of my space when I'm cooking up in this place.
I can already tell this is going to be a really funky vlog.
I'm just kind of tired from hanging out with some really amazing people.
Oh, don't let the non-organic milk be seen.
I am going to go pick up some contraband raw milk here in a couple hours.
Really excited, you guys. We haven't let on about this very much, but we have some farm interns.
It says recording. Okay, this is Jess and Jeremiah. He likes to go by Jeremiah. The people he's just met. And they're not our interns. They're online friends, now in-person friends. And they have a YouTube channel called Roots and Refuge.
Oh.
What did he say?
And Refuge.
Roots and Refuge, right. Brianna connected with Jess on Instagram originally, and they've been messaging and stuff. And they just on their way back from the Great American Homesteading Conference.
I just got butter.
I only have one.
Custardy.
So that's how it usually turns out. I think maybe because I doubled it and doubled it again, I didn't use enough.
It's my first
That's
Dutch
usually
baby.
how it is like
And honestly,
spoon bread.
for simplicity,
Pretty good.
try it.
Why isn't it focusing, Arthur?
Mommy?
So now we've had a giant breakfast and it is like chaos crazy with 10 youngins in the house. But they are giving us beautiful merch. Hold it up, Jeremiah. Show them how pretty your merch is.
Jessica's Grow Something Lovely tanks left.
Nice. So cute. Aren't those cool? Those are those Sonnen glass jars.
Yeah, we have some. Pretty. They're all in the garden.
I've been stuck in the kitchen all morning.
Making a delicious breakfast.
I'm ready.
10 children.
10 kids, 14 people. So it's time for me to get out. And I just want to show you something I just noticed. So I've been looking for that booster seat for like a week. Does that kind of stuff happen to you very often? Like, what's it doing there?
No explanation. There never is. No one did it. No one does everything wrong.
No, never. Oh, you're wearing your tank top. Super cute. Hey, goats. I was gonna go put my goats in the back pasture, but I think they might already be back there. Yeah, they're already back there, but we'll go see them anyway. Free-range chickens. Oh, she dumped her water. Hey, Mama. Hey, ladies. Raven was actually limping really bad yesterday. I couldn't figure out what was wrong. You know, I did some hoof care, hoof checks, but everything looked fine, so I'm just wanting to get a good look at her today. Whoa. Come on. Hey, watch her as she walks and tell me if she's limping. Because she's following me. Oh, no, she's not. Come on. Raven seems fine this morning. Sometimes that happens with goats. Like, I've learned, I don't know, I'm learning when to worry and when not to worry. Anyway, now I'm going to take Jess to my favorite spot on my property that's easily accessible. My favorite spot is the top of the mountain, but that's not as easily accessible as this spot. Have you turned around yet? It's so pretty. Can you guys on the video hear the kids playing? I can hear Arthur. Woohoo! Do you want to see my other favorite place that's like I can run off to by myself, like, but I'm not taking very long? I'll show you. This barn. And then when the goats are in the cow are out in the pasture, you just watch them. It's the best. And I can come down here with the kids and they just like go crazy down here and play. Yeah. Especially in the winter or in the rain because my house is so small.
Have you ever used like have you ever hunted coyotes, or have you ever used calls at all, or turkey calls? Have you ever?
No, I have used deer calls.
Oh yeah.
I've used deer calls actually to simulate a buck.
Yeah.
No,
Have you ever tried
Who cares?
calling a mom of a baby with like a baby call? Yeah. Like right now, Bree and Jess are at the barn.
We can
Can
try.
you do a baby call?
I think.
Baby just fell out of the bed. What does baby sound like?
Yeah, like that. Now, can you do it a little bit more prolonged?
I bet Grace can do it.
Why?
We're trying to call the moms back.
I have to go all in though.
Do it all or nothing.
I think it's gonna sound like a man screaming.
It's gonna sound like a man screaming.
No.
That's okay. Daddy was just being silly. I was just being silly.
Good effort, Grace.
Come on, check on the kid. We got her! We got her out of the barn! And this is how the baby call works. You call the mothers back to the den.
So we're like having this like really deep conversation and we hear the crying and neither one of us
He's trying to get
children it was. We got really quiet and she goes, "Is that a big kid or a baby?" I was like, "That is not one of my children."
Oh.
He doesn't like crying.
That was funny. While they're trying to
Thanks for hanging out, talking deep thoughts with me.
That was so good.
Okay, 10 kids, not 10 people. 14 people, 10 kids. Fortunately, we have an outhouse down here over the creek, so I'm headed down here with my book. Oh, dude, I'm so sorry.
This is
Can I join you?
Yeah,
I'm sorry, it's double-seater though.
The bathroom's full with all the kids,
Okay.
so it's a double-seater. We can do it.
Jeremiah.
Yes, sir.
Do you mind if I call you Maya?
You can call me Maya.
Okay.
At this point.
How's your book? Did you bring toilet paper? Is there?
Oh, actually, I didn't.
Can you open that door?
Yeah, I got you. Hey, Bree, can you get us some toilet paper?
You want to see a cool transition? Watch this.
Like beg for food and then we feed them all the time. Yeah. Go catch. So I said in her video, like one of the coolest things about YouTube is like meeting really interesting people and people you would have never known before. But then it's so hard when you have to say bye. And then like you don't know if you'll ever even see them in person again. So bye. We'll be back. Really lovely having you guys here.
Thank
Really
you so much.
appreciate the invite and just having real talk. And
getting a
good.
real connection, and I hope to come back and see you guys again. If you come out to the middle of nowhere, America, we'll put you guys
We'd
up.
like to.
I'd like to. I have friends in Kansas City, so.
Cool. Let's make it happen.
Check them out, Roots and Refuge, Instagram and YouTube.